In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable CAPTCHA verification in Google Chrome. Now, before we begin, it's important to understand what we're actually doing here. CAPTCHAs are those little tests that ask you to click on traffic lights or type in distorted letters. They're designed to tell websites that you're a real person and not an automated bot. Completely disabling all CAPTCHAs everywhere isn't really possible from the browser alone, because most of them are controlled by the websites you visit. However, there are some settings and tools in Chrome that can significantly reduce how often you see them and make your browsing experience smoother. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version, because some of the options we'll be using may look different or may not be available in older versions. You can quickly check for updates by opening the Chrome menu in the top right corner, going to Help, and then clicking About Google Chrome. If there's an update available, let it install and then restart the browser. Next, we'll review a few privacy and security settings that can influence when CAPTCHAs appear. Go back to the Chrome menu and open Settings. On the left side, choose Privacy and Security. Here, pay attention to your browsing data and cookie settings. Frequent clearing of cookies or blocking all cookies can make websites think you're a new visitor every time, which can trigger more CAPTCHAs. If you currently block all third-party cookies or clear cookies on every exit, consider relaxing those settings slightly so trusted sites can remember you and challenge you less often. Still under Privacy and Security, look at the Security section. Make sure that safe browsing is set to at least the standard level. Very restrictive or unusual configurations, including some extensions that interfere with scripts or trackers, can increase the number of CAPTCHAs you see, since websites have a harder time verifying you automatically. Speaking of extensions, open the Extensions page from the Chrome menu. Here, review any ad blockers, VPNs, or privacy tools you've installed. These can be useful, but they sometimes hide information that sites use to confirm you're human. Try temporarily disabling them for websites that bombard you with CAPTCHAs and see if that reduces the prompts. Finally, always remember that CAPTCHAs are a security feature. While you can minimize them by adjusting your settings and being consistent with your browser and device, they can't be fully removed without potentially compromising your security or violating site policies. Use these tips to find a balance between convenience and safety as you